Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you a quick and very easy way to make a skirt pattern using your own measurements. So this pattern is perfect for skirts that have an elastic waistband. So to start, you're going to want to measure the following. You're going to want to measure your waist, your hips, your waist to hips, and your chosen length for your skirt. So on your sheet, you're going to draw a straight line across, and then using that line, draw a straight line up. So where those points meet, you're going to want to mark this point as 0. So from 0, you're going to measure down your chosen length to your skirt and mark this point as 1. Then at 1, you're going to square across using your ruler. So from 0, measure down your waist to hip measurement and mark this point as 2. So from 2, then you're going to square across using your ruler. So from 2, you're going to measure across 1/4 of your hip measurement plus 0.5 centimeters and then mark this point as 3. So from 3, go ahead and square that down and then mark that line intersection as 0.4. So from 0, you're going to measure across 1/4 of the waist measurement plus 4 centimeters and mark this point as 5. So from 5, you're going to square up 1.25 centimeters and mark this point as 6. So using your curved ruler, go ahead and join points 0 and 6 together. So using a straight ruler, you're going to join points 6 and 3 and then go back in with a curved ruler and you're going to curve out that line by 0.25 centimeters. And that is the front finished. So now you're going to actually continue doing the back over the front pattern. So from 3, you're going to measure out 2 centimeters and mark this point as 7. So from 7, you're going to square down to the hemline and then mark this point as 8. So from 0, you're going to measure 1/4 of your waist measurement plus 6.5 centimeters and mark this point as 9. So from 9, you're going to square up 1.25 centimeters and mark this point as 10. And then with your curved ruler, you're going to join points 0 and 10 together. So join points 10 and 7 together with a straight line and then you're going to go back in with your curved ruler and curve that line out by 0.25 centimeters. And that is the finished pattern. I told you it was quick and easy. So as you can see, mine doesn't have very much shape, but that's pretty much because I don't. But your pattern might look completely different to mine, and that's fine. So another tip is to outline the front and back in 2 separate colours, and this will just prevent you from getting confused between the two. So all you need to do now is copy out both the front and the back, add your seam allowance and make your skirt. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up as it really supports my channel, and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more quick tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!